This video, I'm going to show you how you can deactivate a member's account on Slack. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and sign in to your Slack account. And once you're in, go ahead and click on your profile name drop down icon here. And from here, you'll see you have this option called Tools and Settings. Under it, first, you'll need to go ahead and find a member list. And for this, go ahead and click on Manage Members. And this is the option. Now, from the list, you'll be able to see all the members that are active on your Slack workspace. And to deactivate any of these accounts, head over to the members line and then click on these three dots. And from here, we have an option to deactivate accounts. So go ahead and click on Deactivate Account. And here you are told what happens when you deactivate account. You are told the member will no longer be able to sign in to the workspace, and also the member's messages and files will still be accessible in Slack. So if you're okay, go ahead and click on deactivate. And now you can see the account now is inactive. Should you want to activate it, you can just again come here and then you can now activate account. So that's how you can deactivate a member's account on Slack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.